Okay, rice cake machine SYP9002, Titanium Coated Mold, and switch box up position for Mexico. Very good. Okay, the switch box is up position. We will move to up position. Temperature 260 and force to switch is same. And the 3 dial controllers here. Speed 4.7, 250, and depth of core is 30 as the first setting. Pressure. Around 140 is the first setting. After setting, check the pressure valve, the pressure gauge. You had better close it to use it longer. Emergency button here, and it's a standard cylinder, oil cylinder, standard cylinder. It is smaller than the previous bigger one, and below that is the pressure supported valve below the low cylinder to keep the stable pressure, and 3 solenoid to provide electrical signal to the machine, and 2-phase motor and pump, oil tank, and fan machine on all the time when the machine works. White rice and brown rice mix, and it's feeding plate. When the feeding plate go forward, it's a red light. It's a proxy sensor is turned off. When the feeding plate come back to the end, it's turn on again. Otherwise, it cannot go to the next step. The 2 springs is bringing the feeding plate back, and the drive motor and gear head, the feeding plate go forward. Okay, oil valve here, check valve, and relief valve. Relief valve is related with the pressure control. Insert the wrench, and counterclockwise increase pressure. Unclockwise decrease pressure. Okay, and control box here, inverter, 60 Hz, and SSR, keep the temperature stable, and breaker and contact the relays on PCB. It's the brain of this machine, and the oil tank, 20 liters of oil, idle oil inside. 잠깐만요.